Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're changing out two headlight bulbs on a 2009 second gen Prius with halogen light bulbs. This is my coworker's Prius. First thing we're going to be doing is removing the fuse box cover, which I just did. This gives us enough space to access this rubber cover here that you have to unscrew counterclockwise in order to take it off, and then you have access to the bulb. Space is still very limited, so having small hands helps, or just patience. Once you get access into that, you can unlatch this metal prong that's holding the bulb in, so you have to unhook it and go by feel. You can't really see what's going on, so just feel around until you feel that metal prong, and you can unlatch it. These bulbs have 3 prongs that just plug right into the housing. Space again is limited down here, so take your time and find the right orientation to put it in, since it only fits in one way. And then you're going to be latching on that metal prong that's pictured right here. You're going by feel with your fingers to get that metal prong to lock the bulb in place. Going into the passenger side, in order to get access to this, you need to remove this black plastic. It looks like an inlet tube of some sort, and it's only held in with one screw, so easy access to this one as well. Even with this black plastic piece off, it's still a tight space, tighter than the driver's side, so this one would be the harder side to get to in terms of accessing the bulb. But it's the same thing. You're going to unscrew that rubber cover, and then you're going to unlatch the hook on that metal tab and then pull the bulb out. We're testing out to make sure that these bulbs are working before I spend the time to install it back into place. But it's the same thing. Fish it through and use your fingers to feel around and get it in the right spot. Now we are testing to make sure that the lights are on, and they are. Previously, the passenger side light bulb was burnt out. This is how you change out your halogen light bulbs on a 2009 second gen Prius. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.